Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon. Again, thanks for tuning in. There's my website right there, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Quick link up here for you as usual. Check my website out when you get a chance. Guys, before we continue with this video, I feel obligated. I got to give you the heads up. I got to tell you, I got corona. This job is so fast and so easy to do. It's literally going to take you about a half of a bottle of Corona to do this. This does not just apply to Husqvarna all-wheel drive lawnmowers. We're going to use this one for the demonstration, but there's other lawnmowers out there that are very similar to this. This is something that you need to go check like right now. All right, so check this out. All you have to do is just flip your lawnmower over or tip it over so you can check something on the other side. There's 3 little pulleys under there that you want to just check really quickly and make sure that they're all spinning properly. You can either tip your lawnmower over back like this to check it, or you can flip it over on the side if you want to. Just make sure that when you flip it over on the side, the air filter side is on the up side. And then you can leave your lawnmower like that. See those 3 little pulleys right there? Just take your finger and just rotate them. See if they spin. See that? That one spins. That one there, spinning good. This one here, look at that one. That sucker is stuck right there. That pulley is seized almost solid. This is a 4-wheel drive lawnmower, you guys. An all-wheel drive, they call it. There's a transmission in the front. There's a transmission in the back. So you can see this belt right here. That belt is a really long belt. It goes all the way to the back transmission, to the front transmission, and then goes around these 3 pulleys. So I'm going to show you how easy that is to actually change one of these things. It's ridiculously fast. No, I'm not kidding. Okay, this one's good, this one's good, this one's the seized one. We want to replace that. First of all, you need another pulley, right? Well, I went and got one. The part number for this one, this is a Husqvarna all-wheel drive. The part number that we're replacing on this one is 587973001. Is that what it says right down here? I hope so. That's the one right there. Boom. Got that brand new pulley, spins nice. That's what we want on there. All as you need, 7/16 socket. You don't need to take the blade off even. You don't need to do anything. Watch this. With that belt, the belt's already loose on there because nobody's up there pulling the handle on it, right? Belt's loose. There's the old one right there. Yep, garbage. Grab the new one and literally, you got to reuse that bolt too. Put that on there. That's us done. We're done. Are you kidding me? How easy was that? We didn't have to do anything. Now your belt is going to last way longer, so you don't have to worry about getting all this stuff apart to replace your belt. This is something that you need to look at. I would say, I want to say yearly maintenance, just general maintenance. But you know what? On these things, I've probably replaced 100 of these in my life. I would say maybe check your lawnmower twice, 3 times a year. You see how easy it is just to check them and just spin them with your finger and see if one's seized. If you want to see where I got this pulley from, right underneath this video in the description, I got a link there for you where I got this one from. They are not very expensive at all. Way less expensive to do that as just general maintenance on your lawnmower than having to actually burn a belt out and change this belt. That's a brutal job. This is super easy, you guys. So now let's have a quick look at that pulley that I just pulled off of there. Look at this. Look at that. That's awesome, actually. This is a perfect example. See, it's stuck. that bearing is seized in there. Look at where the belt has been rubbing on here because the pulley's not spinning. It's burning across here and melting that pulley right there. So that's not only hard on your pulley, it's hard on the belt too. This one definitely needed to be replaced. Lawnmower repairs don't generally get any easier than that. That's awesome. Hey, you guys, I hope I saved you some money by doing this. Give me that thumbs up button. I would sure appreciate that. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there's that Corona again. Half a Corona, I said. I didn't even get a sip of that when it was so fast. Steve out.